Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up double opt-in for emails in Hubspot. To get started, head over to your settings by clicking the gear icon. Once inside, it will open your user preferences. For this case, navigate to the Marketing tab where you can locate the configuration. You can also search for it directly. Click on Marketing, then Email, and from there you can configure your settings. Enabling double opt-in ensures that only contacts who confirm their subscription receive your emails, which improves deliverability and compliance with anti-spam laws. It also helps maintain a high-quality contact list, reducing bounces and unsubscribes. Take time to customize the confirmation email with clear instructions and a recognizable design. You can personalize it with your branding, subject line, and even include a thank you message to engage new subscribers right away. That is all there is today. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.